Do you think fame has ever changed you?
Wow.
Hindi nakadikit yung...
Wala pang sagot.
Oo nga, yes or
Hindi.
no?
No.
Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta. Cheers, mate.
Hi, I'm Mark Bautista and
I am Christian Bautista and we're good friends, Mark and I.
we're brothers.
Yes, hindi kami real
We're
brothers.
not real brothers.
Kasi tinatanong...
Ang dami nagtatanong.
Actually, nung ChatGPT ako kagabi, sabi doon magkapatid na. No?
Sabi ni ChatGPT,
Wow, kilala niya kami.
Sam Altman. Wow!
23 years, almost 23 years na rin tayong magkakilala. Sobrang komportable na rin kami pag magkasama kami. And lagi kami magkasama sa trabaho rin. Ang pagkakilala ko sa kanya, very kumbaga, very corporate.
Very corporate.
Gusto niya precise. Ayun. Pag nag-explain siya, maintindihan dapat agad.
Tapos si Mark naman, siya yung parang kuya ng lahat. Like, everyone wants to hang out with him. Everyone wants to go to
Kumbaga-
Bali with him. Everyone just wants to be his friend. And he's so
Kasi
friendly
single
also.
ako eh.
When you're with him, you feel very comfortable, safe, and secure.
Safe din naman ako sa'yo.
Wow,
Kasi
okay. Salamat.
Si Christian, kahit anong sabihin mong sikreto or anuman, hindi lalabas yan.
Salamat.
Nakakalimutan niya.
That's true.
Given that, we are going to test your relationship with a lie detector and a set of question cards.
Ako na.
Okay, ikaw na. Be honest, do you really see me as a friend or just a work friend?
As a friend.
Lagot! Alam mo, masasaktan ako nito pag di ka talaga niya mabasa.
Aray ko.
Sabi ko na eh. It's okay.
Matindi pala tong kuryente.
You know,
na to.
shot.
Ano to?
Shot.
Ano? Baka yung baterya nito, kulang na. Hindi naman, lahat ba?
Siyempre, kasi sinaktan mo ako.
Mali itong machine na to eh. We, live in the same city na rin now. So parang minsan magtatawa, saan ka? Parang tennis tayo.
Maglaro.
Puntahan natin si Eric Santos. Puntahan natin si ganito. We're that close enough
Yeah.
na wala nang tanong-tanong. Okay, your turn. Your turn, sir. Malakas siya, ah. Parang bayad na bayad yung Meralco. Ganun. You ready? Here we go. Between the two of us, who has the most diva behavior?
Siya. Si Christian.
I agree. Wow!
Hindi na kailangan ito. Siya na nag-agree. Pag ito na kuryente ako,
If that's a lie, that means... See? I told you I was nice.
Sabi ko na eh.
Hindi, pero hindi, I agree. Mali talaga to eh. Kasi mas marami ako, bakit hindi ganito? Hindi, dapat ganito. Hindi, bakit hindi ganito?
kailangan ko pa bang i-defend yun? Or parang siya na eh?
Wala na, inamin ko na.
Oo eh. Pero totoo yun, si Christian yung...
I-simplify natin yung the behavior. Parang we just wanna be, professional.
So, sino mag-shot?
Oo nga.
Po, Sir Mark.
Ako?
Hey! Shot.
Actually, gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi ako nakashot.
Para
Napikon ka na ba sa akin? Pero hindi mo sinabi.
Yes!
Parang marami, ano?
Siyempre, meron that's like 20 years.
Naipon.
Grabe, see, it's a lie. So, as kind as Mark is, he doesn't look at his phone. He doesn't look at his messages. See, even is the person here to
Ba't ka
disagree.
nagnanod?
You will get an answer after a day or two.
Wait, okay. Same ba ako?
Defend yourself.
Sige na, kasalanan ko na. Ayoko na mag-explain.
Malakas, di ba? Malakas yung kuryente.
Ganun talaga pag...
Ang dami nito ah.
Pag masama yung ugali mo.
Okay, guys.
Lalakasan yung kuryente.
Kung naging homeless ako bigla, would you let me live in your house?
Of course.
Wow! Oh, yung kamay mo!
Ay, sorry.
Depende, saan ba yung Cagayan ba yun? No, ano?
Ay! Parang hindi, lahat na lang ng sinasabi natin mali.
We're such liars.
Yeah.
So defend yourself.
No, kasi open naman talaga ang bahay ko. Ang question ngayon is, pipiliin mo ba yung bahay ko kung homeless ka?
Kumanta ako sa kasal ng kapatid niya.
For free? Free yun, di ba?
Ex-deal yun.
Ngayon pa lang babawa sa concert.
Ex-deal yun.
Pero, yeah.
Saka ako nasisingilin yun. Hindi, joke lang.
Kung naging roommates po kayo, how do you think yung ugali ng isa't isa would be?
Ako siguro makalat yung kwarto, ganyan.
Makalat siya, tapos meron siyang mga dilatang baon.
Oo, meron ako lagi mga delata kasi lagi ako
Ready siya
nagugutom.
pang Boy Scout. Ako siguro yung mas maraming regimen. Naliligo ka naman, di ba, bago matulog? Tama ba? Medyo makalat din naman ako. Pero pag may kasama ako, ingat ako.
Nahihiya ka?
Nahiya ako.
Ah.
Kasi ayoko naman ma-offend ka.
Wow.
Nakakahiya naman.
Ganun pala yun, ganun pala yun.
May kanta ka ba na hindi mo talaga gusto?
No. Kasi
Na lahat gusto mo?
natawa ako kasi parang my other side of the brain. Hindi. Kasi you have to really love
All the songs that you record.
all the songs that you record. Let's just press this thing. Ang dami ko kayo na-record.
Simple lang naman yung tanong eh.
Ang dami ko na-record. Like, how many
Kasi
songs?
magaganda naman talaga yung mga songs.
Ang albums. Yes!
Oh, first time. Alam mo, dahil sa battery yon. Bagong
Thank you, Jesus. Okay.
Ayaw niyo akong tanungin kung may kanta akong hindi gusto. Kasi,
Sure. Actually, that's a good question. Can we do it again? Okay. Go.
wag
Do you think fame has ever changed you?
Wow.
Hindi nakadikit yung ano mo.
Grabe.
Oh, yan.
Ah, wala pang sagot.
Oo nga, yes or
Hindi.
no?
No.
No?
No.
So, paano yun? Sino inom? Siya rin. Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta. No.
No.
I think no also. I will agree. Kasi he's
Ikaw muna
still,
sumagot.
siya pa rin yung the humble guy and everyone's friend.
Yun kasi yung mahirap eh. Pag mas nakafocus ka sa fame. Fame naman talaga is temporary, sabi nga nila. So, pag dun ka naka-ankla sa fame, magsa-struggle ka pag nawala yung fame. Kasi dun ka lang
Yes.
nakakapit
And to be honest, merong mga days na it goes to my head na parang, is this the end? Is this the last song? What's the next concert? Pero what I like about our friendship is we push each other to really do better, to support each other. Masyadong showbiz na yung mga sagot.
Pero actually, that word, yung fame talaga, very, very dangerous na word. Kaya mahirap yan.
Why is it dangerous?
Kasi pwedeng pumasok talaga sa utak mo. And pag once pumasok sa utak mo, wala.
There should be other options. There should be other lives. Sige, a moment.
If we were stuck on tour together for a month, kakayanin mo ba?
Yes!
Naku!
Siyempre, nagawa na natin yung dati.
Gawa na namin.
Oh, tapos, di ba, may type ka nun.
Pag nakuryente ka yan. Yun. Thank you so much for saving me.
Siguro kaya niya ako kay Oriente kasi madami kang nawawalang mga bagay during tours.
Feeling ko pag nasa tour kasama ko si Christian, siya yung lagi nauna sa lobby. Tapos, alam niya lahat ng gagawin niya for the day.
Ako naman, I'm sure na si Mark naman,
Ako nasa store pa namili.
namimili, tapos mawawala niya.
Yeah, kaya namin.
Kaya,
namin
kaya. Oo, saka kita yun eh.
Trabaho eh.
Trabaho yun,
Yun yung
siyempre.
importante doon.
Itiisip mo yun. Do you trust me enough to run
course
a
not.
business with me? Do you trust me enough to run a business with me?
Yes.
Ay,
Yes.
matagal ko na itong tinatanong ko sa iyo. Di ba, meron tayong plano
Huwag mo
na...
akong takutin. Yes na nga eh. Oo na nga. I trust you.
Nice!
No, matagal na namin pinag-uusapan ni Christian kasi ito rin, parang gusto rin niyang mag-venture into like a business. Pero syempre siya yung talagang kailangan malaman muna niya yung history or yung background ng business.
Kasi has a cafe in Cagayan. Yun nga, it's called Hulak. I visit there when I'm there.
Yeah.
There was a time, actually, ito weird, parang naisip namin, let's do like a sound rental in somewhere. Basta, like, we always talk about business. Oh, man. Okay. Next.
Wait, ako yung nagtanong kanina.
Oh, di ikaw. Oh.
Wala, hindi ko binasa.
Hindi ko na alam. Basta,
Sabi ko
sige.
sa inyo, hindi
Basta.
talaga safe tong...
Is there anything? Bakit napaka-serious itong pupunta sa'yo? Is there anything that could ever make you leave your singing career?
Ooh.
Love. Love now, so yes.
Parang ano eh. No. Wait! Lang!
Yes or no?
Kasi nakita niyang natitense yung puso ko, yung pulse mo.
Oh, ulitin natin,
so medyo
ulitin natin.
taranta ko eh.
Oh, great. Oh, yes or no?
Yes, singing career sa Philippines ha.
Wow, may international career ka siya! Yes!
Kasi-
Ito naman! Siya
Kung
na.
meron naman talagang opportunity.
can.
Bro,
Fame is still in your head. De, joke.
singing is still in my head, of course. You know, or performing.
Or love. What if love happens?
Kung stable yung tao na yon sa abroad, kung may offer international na, like kunyari, project, pwede mong umalis muna dito. Pero
Hindi.
permanent ba?
But that
Or
still work.
Singing eh. What if acting na lang? Oh, may acting job sa
What if
abroad.
career na pa yung ballpen? What if career
Hindi
na
career.
lang? Career. Entertainment.
Yes.
Would you leave entertainment
mahirap. Yun na yung sagot ko eh.
Okay.
Huwag na natin baguhin.
Okay, sige. Yun na.
Kasi pinapakomplicate mo pa yung mga bagay-bagay.
Okay, next.
Yung totoo, have you ever compared your career to mine? Rivalry.
Yes. Kinakabahan ako. Ah! Sabihin, it's a lie. Hindi, kasi that's what I always say. Parang, even though we're friends, we push each other to
Yeah.
be better versions of ourselves. Okay, next. Last two. Freestyle. Ako yun. I'm asking anything that can be answered with a yes or no. Ako pa talaga yung pinag-isip.
Huwag mo na yung mga recent
Okay, the question is, would the young Mark Bautista, before stepping onto the boat, be proud of who you are right now?
Yes.
All right, sir.
For sure.
See?
Sobrang relax na ako nito.
I-acting mo na lang. Wala
Hindi.
Korean.
See?
Yeah! We're
That's
proud
a
of you too.
$1 million question. Looking back, pag tinitingnan ko yung pinagdaanan ko and the comfort that I have now.
And the blessings you
the
gave to your family.
blessings And yung improvement ng life, masasabi ko, sobrang blessed ako now. Yeah. Hindi ako magsashot, di ba? Kasi ang ganda.
Hindi. Oh, ang ganda ng tanong. Hindi rin ako mag-shot. Next.
Last, would you consider me as a lifelong friend?
Yes! Hindi na natin kailangan.
Ang kailangan
Hindi na
namin dyan,
kailangan to.
shot!
Ang kailangan dito
Shot.
is you always have to show up. To any friendship
Yes.
or relationship or family, there will be good days, there will be bad days, but always show up. Okay, cheers, brother.
Cheers!
Yay!
Excited ka na ata. Excited na ako. Excited na kami. Sana kayo rin.
So, thank you again sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa concert na ito.
Thank you, NA Management, Nima and Viva.
Nima and Viva also. March 6 po yan, New Frontier Theater.
For tickets, just visit ticketnet.com.ph.
Yes.
.ph.
Because you came from London.
.ph.
How many years did you do your musical theater there?
8 months? Akala ko tagal.